Hello, this is Jeff Zach from Z Supply, the manufacturer of the Performance line of insulated PEX. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. Today's video is about head-to-head testing that we have conducted between our Performance line of insulated pipe and our major competitor's similar product. This is important information that I want to share with the outdoor wood boiler community and the consumer. On the way to that, I would like to share some events that have brought us to this testing and to this video. We started Z Supply in 2009, and from the beginning we realized how important it would be to be transparent and honest in our efforts to educate the consumer about the marketplace as it was and our products specifically. To that end, we made the video in 2012, The Truth About Our Value in Insulated Pipe, which revealed how the manufacturers of similar products, such as this one, were making impossible R-value claims of up to R33 for a 3-layer pipe. That video now has over 36,000 views. Imagine how many consumers have been helped by that. You can watch that and all the videos mentioned in this video on the Z Supply website. Following that video, the crazy claim of R33 disappeared. In 2015, we produced Just the Facts, which revealed how other manufacturers of wrapped radiant barrier style insulated PEX ruined the radiant barrier or the low E surface by wrapping it entirely in tape. And guess what? Shortly after that, references to that also disappeared from our competitor's marketing. At that time, we received a nice email from our competitor questioning the facts and science we had presented, calling it laughable. And also asking us to quit comparing our temp loss testing to theirs because it was done so differently. Well, they were quite right. It was done differently, as our testing was real-world, actual outdoor wood boiler use and conducted by a third party, while theirs was conducted by laying a 250-foot length of pipe on top of the ground and testing total temp loss over the entire circuit, but without any load. In light of that, we did as he asked, removed those references from our marketing material, and resolved to conduct testing to resolve the issue. Imagine my surprise when I noted that since that our competitor has started using those very same results he objected to in making the claim that his products had the best temp loss performance in the industry. That claim, as you will see in a moment, holds just as much water, and in this case, just as much hot water, as their previous claims of impossible R values. Here they are. Keep in mind that these temp loss tests were conducted by a third party in as fair a manner as possible. The water temp at the boiler was 175 degrees, and the flow was a realistic 5 GPM. The tests were conducted similarly to those done by our competition. The 250-foot rolls of pipe were placed on top of the ground this winter and temp loss tested in 3 places: the supply, the return, and at the end of the 250-foot pipe. Quite frankly, we don't think this kind of top-of-the-ground testing realistic and would never use it in our day-to-day marketing. But for this test, since it is how they do it, it is useful. Here are the results. In the 250-foot run, down, all the way down and back, the competitor's pipe lost 3.67 degrees, while the Z Supply insulated pipe lost 2.98 degrees. In a 100-foot run, that comes to be 1.46 degrees for the competitor's pipe and 1.192 degrees for the Z Supply pipe. Now, here's the thing. That is a 23% difference. You're going to find that to be huge in your actual use because your entire system will be less efficient. You'll end up burning more wood and having to make more of those midwinter trips to your outdoor wood boiler. So the results are complete. We're very pleased to be able to bring them to you. You, of course, can do whatever you think is most right for you and for your situation. It is our job to let you know the facts. Whatever you do, blessings in your outdoor wood boiler and hydronic projects. This is Jeff Zach from Z Supply. Thank you for your time.